Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is May 23, 2024, Thursday. Option expiry for Nifty. So first the levels, then the power of technical analysis. Then we discuss overall how the movement was today. So first FinNifty closed at 21,731.65, 1.90% up. Yes, you heard it right, around 405 points up. Solid green candle and decisively moved above the Bollinger middle band and the 20-day exponential moving average. If you recollect, I had said that yesterday the 50-day moving average was holding like a fort, and both FinNifty and BankNifty took support and then jumped nicely. Thereafter, today, probably some say it is due to RBI coming out with that additional this one to government and all those things. I mean that those all could be a small factors, but overall the sentiment had turned positive day for yesterday evening itself. Once it touched the 50-day exponential and simple moving average and bounced off nicely. And today it was a fantastic up move, opening below the 20-day exponential moving average and crossing that, and as well as Bollinger middle band, and then going up nicely, forming a solid big green candle. Nifty also formed the same type of candle. It closed at 48,768.60, 2% up, around 986 points up. So you can see that it's a very powerful up move. BankNifty. Nifty, on the other hand, it closed at 22,967.65, 1.64% up. It touched a new all-time high, almost touched the 23,000 mark. It just 7 points short of 23,000, 22,993.60. It formed a very big solid green candle. Yesterday was a hanging man. See, normally what happened, it's going like this. When it is going like this, these kind of hanging mans and all those things cannot be purely a reversal. I never said reversal. I only said it is a hanging man. Hanging man can be a reversal, but we need confirmation. That's what typically any technical analyst will say. Of course, what did we say? We had said that on the upper side, on the downward side, whatever level said, it was never bothered to go there. Upper side, we had said that the weekly upper band at 22, 837, 840 will hold, but that also did not hold because it went, the bands kept on moving. I have told many times, these bands are all dynamic bands. Finally, it crossed the Bollinger daily band and the weekly band, which is a very, very, very powerful up move. That's why, one has to be extremely cautious and understand the pulse of the market and understand the levels, because What are the levels that are available? There were no levels available for Nifty, which I have said yesterday also. In fact, in yesterday's tweet also, X also had put very clearly that no levels are there. Okay, so then what is there available? The Fibonacci 161.8, which is way above, which is, if I am right, it is at 23,300 and something. So that's the only level which is tangibly seen, which can be said as a good resistance. Otherwise, the weekly, I thought weekly will be taking out tomorrow. But now, since this has taken out, tomorrow I am sure that the kind of euphoria that is there in the market, I am sure that it will touch 23,000 tomorrow. In fact, the opening first price itself can be at 23,000. Later on, it can form anything. I'm not saying that it will go. But one thing is that normally when such a big up move happens, next day, and subsequently, it will bulls will try to hold the Bollinger upper band, and they will try to slide along the Bollinger upper band and keep riding nicely along the upper band. If that happens, no, that is something like which is a nightmare for bears, and it's good for bulls. Of course, if you really look at, no, only few stocks moved. Anyway, when we come there, we will discuss. First is there are no stocks that fell on the banking and financial side. Canara Bank, IDFC and SBA up 1%. Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank, ICICI and IndusInd Bank up 2%. AU Bank, Axis Bank and Bandhan Bank 3% up. So if you see here, HDFC Bank had a big move. In fact, it has touched now 1490. Still, it is 12% down. So that's an important point one has to note. In spite of such a massive move that today it happened, Nifty is up only 3.5% in this calendar year. That's like we are going to be 5 months over. And BankNifty and FinNifty just returned positive around 1.2% or 1.5% up. So that means, see, there is nothing much has happened till now. That's the reality. So market is like that. So people on today, it might appear as if like it's a great bull move that had happened, but overall, if you see from the calendar year, January 1, 2024 till date, nothing much has happened. In fact, BankNifty and FinNifty is just 1.5% above, while Nifty is just up 3.5 or 3.6%, somewhere around that levels. See, on the financials, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Twins, both Canfin, Chola, M&M 1% up, L&T Finance 2% up, Jio and Shriram 3% up. In the insurance, LIC 2% down, HDFC Life, ICICI General, Pru, SBI Cards and SBI Life 1% up. Insurance and cards. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance moved up by 2%. That explains why like banking is supporting, financial is supporting, Reliance and Bharti going up by 2%. Then IT, Apple 1% down, Intellect all remain sideways, HCL, Infi, LTAM, Emphasis, TCS, Wipro 1% up, Birlasoft 2% up, Cofor 3% up. So you can see that when IT is also supporting it, obviously the move has to be a good up move because it is supported by HCL, Infi, all are heavyweights. On the consumer goods, ABFRL, Bata, Pidilite 1% down. Page had a big fall of 2%. Hindustan Unilever and Trent, HUL and Trent 1% up. Titan had a big move of 2%. Titan is on a good up move. The downfall is over and the Titan has arrested downfall and started moving up. So short term, it looks strong. On the automobiles, Bharat Ford, Tata Motors, TVS Motors 1% up. Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Auto 2% up. Eicher Motor, Hero Motors, M&M, Motherson and Maruti 3% up. In the metals, Coal India, Hindalco 1% up, NMDC 2% up, Vedanta, Nestle 3%, sorry, all are down. Coal India, Hindalco 1% down, NMDC 2% down, Vedanta and National Aluminium 3% down. Tata Steel was the sole winner, moving up by 1%. In the others category, UPL and Jubilant Food 1% down, India Mart also down 1%, Zomato, Indigo, Polycab 1% up, Ultratech, L&T 3% up, Adani Ports 5% up, Adani Enterprise 8% up. So you can see that overall the very selective stocks, the large caps moved up significantly. That's why you had such a massive up move. But one point people have to consider here, because we are having such a pre-election rally, so post-rally, there won't be much left for going up. Anyway, we have to wait and see that, but let's enjoy now the market is going up. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.